Hey guys, we are discussing on notification center today by dragging it from top to bottom. Yeah, we are on the notifications of iOS 11. This notification center has been split into two screens, that is the widget screen and the other one is notification screen, which are we are on the view now, and we can move to the widget screen by dragging it from left to right. Yeah, we are on the widget screen now, and coming back to our notification screen, and we can see a timestamp, and beneath of timestamp we can see a date and day stamp, and here the notifications are adjusted according to day wise, today and yesterday and the day before. And yeah, now I'm going to select a notification and elaborate it by tapping on Flipkart. Yeah, it has been open. Yeah, we have just seen the app which has been opened by tapping on it, and now we are going to see the random options which have been given the either sides of the notification, and by dragging it from all left to right we can see all two new options like view and clear. And from the actual position, by dragging it from left to right, we can see the option called open, and the app is finally open. You can see a Subway Surface over here. Here, by pulling the notification from all right to left, we can see two options called view and clear. By clicking on view, we can see a quick view of the notification without opening the app. We can see a quick view of the notification, and by clicking out of the box, we can get back to our notification sector, and again by clicking on view we can see a new option called into mark over the box. By clicking on into mark, we can close the notification completely. Here we have a very easy way to give a reply for the text message on by seeing on the notification center, and by dragging it from all right to left we can see view. By clicking on view, we can see the earlier message which I have received, and I'm giving the reply now. By clicking on send, we'll send the message. Yep, it has been sent. This has made very easy and very simple. Without opening the app, I can make the shortcut message and give the reply. That's very handy. Yep, we can even close the notifications by pulling it all right to left and clear, clear, and we can even clear the notifications day wise by tapping on into mark. And by typing an into mark, we can see an option called clear. By clicking on clear, we can close all the device settings and all the notifications at a time. By clicking on into mark, long pressing on into mark, by clicking on clear all notifications, we can clear each and every notifications on our notification center. No others notifications will be found on the notification center. Maybe many personalized settings for each and every applications on our mobile, and better we'll have a look on that. By clicking on home, we will move to settings. On home, on settings, we'll move to notification center. Here we can see all the apps which have been using, and I'm going to select Amazon. We can see some more notifications around Amazon. Yeah, we are already getting the notifications, we are allowing it. And suppose if I am switching it off, no settings are found. Better I'm enabling it now. Yeah, we can see some more settings over here, like if you require sounds, we can enable sounds. If we require a badge icon, we can enable it. And we have some three more settings for alerts. If we want the notifications even on the lock screen, we can enable the show on lock screen. If we save it, if we want to save it in our history, we can even enable that. We can also look that as our banners. We have two kinds of banners, temporary and persistent. Persistent banner is a tilt mode, not tilt mode, but it looks like a banner on the top screen of a mobile, and with temporary banner that comes and goes within two fraction of seconds. Yeah, we are on the widget screen, which is neighbor to the notification sector, and we can see all the widgets which I have been arranged earlier, and these are the widgets. And the down we can see edit button. By clicking to edit, we can even customize the widgets, and we can see all the apps which are given to us to adjust accordingly, and the apps which are indicated with red are already added to the widget screen, and the green indicated apps are to be added, or we can add the apps to our widget screen according to our wish. And I'm going to add Amazon. Yeah, Amazon is added to our screen. Now we'll see on the widget screen. Yeah, yep, it's cool, it's already added. Now we'll remove it now by clicking on edit. By holding on Amazon, we can even drag, pull down and up, and we can adjust accordingly. And we'll see now. Yep, Amazon has come up, and we'll remove the Amazon now by clicking on red. Yeah, we can see no more Amazon widget on the screen now.
Hey guys, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.